Hello, my theatrical romantic ladies, and all my kiwi types out there, of course. Welcome to my channel, The Spaniard Girl. Actually, this channel nowadays is about theatrical romantic. I know I don't upload frequently, but it's because, I am so busy and so mad because I've been getting some comments saying that I am not a theatrical romantic. What do you guys think about that? One girl even said that my hands are not bird-like. How'd you dare? I'm joking, of course. I appreciate all of your suggestions. I love to always read your comments. But this time, I wanted to be more truthful to say something to the theatrical romantic lines, because what I think happens is that people say that I'm not theatrical romantic because sometimes my angle are a bit down because I like to be bigger and more rounded. I also love the 60s style, which is messy hair, messy makeup. So people think that because that looks great on me, I am not a theatrical romantic. So this time I didn't use any makeup under my eye. A lot of people told me that don't use makeup, we can't use makeup under our eyes. Okay, girls, so here you go. What do you think? You know that I will link up here and also in the comments, in the description box, everywhere, where my makeup routine is. I still love that kind of makeup, but I tried a look very different in this occasion and I film it. I want to let you know that I tried to recreate Ali Art's makeup tutorial. Not exactly, of course, because I'm not as good as her and I'm not used to do that kind of makeup at all. But I kind of try, and I would like for you to tell me what do you think in the description down below, if you prefer me with this kind of makeup, this kind of hair, more glam, more polished, not as messy, as wavy. So you let me know. At the end of the video, I will show you more how I look and also how to do my hair properly. How I did my hair. So if you guys like this video, please like it. Please tell me down below what do you think, what suggestions do you have for me, what videos do you want me to do, and let's go with the makeup. Here you can see the final look. Of course, I will show you later. You will see better. And yeah, it's 12 and a half because I work at night and I'm always up at that time. We will begin with makeup, and I wasn't planning on showing you the hair tutorial because I originally filmed this video to promote hair straightener that they sent me on my Spanish YouTube channel. I have almost 65,000 subscribers there. So I do promos and such, and I love that hair straightener. So I did everything, like 2-in-1 or 3-in-1, like Christmas party time look and hair straightener promo and everything. But okay, talking about our theatrical romantic look, you know that I hate using your foundation. I never do that, not even on special occasions. I told you that in my previous videos, and I still believe that only concealer is more than enough. You can see some flaws, some imperfections, but that's okay to me. Now I'm using some contouring powder, of course. It's not bronzer because bronzer is so shiny, but we can't use much contouring powder either. So I'm only using a little bit on my chin, on my forehead, and yeah, to look a little bit tanner probably, but not so much. Also on my nose because my nose is pretty big, pretty sharp. It's interesting that many of you told me that you have the same nose shape, so maybe that's our thing. And only with concealer and contouring powder, I feel like so much better. Like I like it enough, but of course we are going for a full look. Now I'm using some powder, but it's normal setting powder. I don't do this daily, but since we are aiming to be partying the whole night with this look for Christmas time or for New Year's Eve. Here I'm using the same brown contouring powder. It's from Benefit, by the way. I love it. I think I will link all of the products in the description. I'm using them on my eyes too. You can see that my eyes are pretty almond shape and they are big, but I like a little bit of depth. Now I'm going with the eyebrows. My eyebrows are always a mess. This is probably the feature that I like the least about my face, and I don't do much. I don't like them to be the focus on my face either. I think us theatrical romantics look so much better with medium to thinner eyebrows. So I only like them to match my hair color and, to be on the background pretty much, because I would like my eyes to stand up way more, and also my lips. Maybe both of them or only one of them, but definitely not my eyebrows. So if you always wear very thick eyebrows, try to make them thinner and maybe you will feel so much better. That's what I did because my natural eyebrows are pretty thick. Okay, so as I show you, I'm using an eyeshadow palette. I'm not using an eyeliner. Later I will use one. But I want a kind of cut crease look with gray colors. But this one will be so much more subtle than my previous videos. Like, I don't want a full smoky eyes. I don't want a 60s cut crease. But I do want a little bit of depth, as I said before. So I'm using some gray eyeshadow to make the cut crease, some black eyeshadow to line my upper lid, and now some lighter, like almost white shadow to put in the middle. And of course, all of these eyeshadows are shiny. You know that, not shiny, but glittery. You know that will look amazing with glitter. So yeah, I'm using one of those eyeshadows as highlighter too. And this doesn't make much of a difference, but it's there. And now, I never did this before, but Ali Art always says that us romantics in general look amazing with false lashes or very wispy, very long feminine lashes. So yes, I am on the team, and you guys, since I tried them, I wear lashes almost every day. Here I'm using a magnetic eyeliner. I feel like this is great because it's like 2-in-1. You can line your eyes, and at the same time it's like glue for your false eyelashes. But you need some time to apply them because you need to put the eyeliner on and then wait like 3 minutes to 3 minutes so it dries down, and then you can put on the falsies, the fake eyelashes. So that's what you see me doing. I'm waiting, and I don't know why I didn't just, okay, we are ready. This is obviously faster than in real life, but I love them. These are by Keys. They are super cheap. They are, I believe, $12 on Amazon, and they are not the longest lasting, in meaning that I can't wear them like 10 days, but for like 3 or 4 uses, aka Christmas time or party time, they are perfect. I can wear them for the whole day. They won't fall off. They look super natural. If you follow me on my Instagram, again named Susie, you can see that I'm wearing some very, very super long, super fake lashes. But here I was trying to keep it down, keep it Ali Artish style. Now, of course, I need this step. I need to line or overline. Shh. But yeah, I love to overline my lips. I'm trying not to go that much over my top lip this time. But I need to overline a little bit. I feel like my lips are not even thin. I feel they are medium size. I don't want them like to be my full face of lips. But yeah, I do like that, and I feel we look amazing with a lot of contrast. So here I'm using a very dark reddish brown lip color, and then in the middle, like on my actual lip, I will put a lighter red color. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing here. Please ignore that part. But yeah, basically that's what I'll do. I will put some red. You can see here. This is what I will apply on my lips. I'm also using this as a blush. I have a video where I explain what I do to my lips every day. I will link it here. But yeah, I love to use the same lipstick as blush because I feel they go so well together. It's not like one is more orangey, then the other one is bluish. They go perfectly well, and I don't know about you guys, but I love to wear lots of blush. I think this makes me look way more feminine, way more healthy, and it's great for us theatrical romantics in general. What do you guys think? I think this is a lot of work for an everyday look. That's why I prefer a messier style with only 5 products. But yeah, like I got many compliments that day when I did this makeup. Apparently, I look so much better than usual. So, you tell me, what would you do if you look similar? Here, I'm trying to say that we need to set this. Maybe with some rose water, with some makeup. What's the name? You know what I mean. To fix your makeup. So, what do you guys think? I have some lights on. Does it look good? Does it look natural, theatrical, romantic? And of course, we need our super glittery fitted dress, which I love. I don't remember when it's from. If I remember, I'll tell you down below. And now, as I told you, I wasn't planning on doing my hair in front of you guys because this was a video for my other YouTube channel. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm from Spain, and we talk this weird. But yeah, never mind. The thing is that I always collaborate with this brand, with the Ball. They love me and I love them. And this trainer, you guys, I don't want to promote it to you, but leaves your hair super shiny. I like to wear my hair messy, wavy, and to never use heat. But when I do, I like to do it with this hair straightener. And so, I don't like the super tight, small curls that we get from a curling iron if it's too small, or when the curling iron is too big, it's the opposite. They are like super voluminous waves, which I do like, but I think this is my favorite hairstyle for the moment for a special occasion, which is like my goal here is to have a voluminous blowout with a hair straightener, but not as voluminous because we are small girls, right? So even though I love volume for my everyday look, here with this dress, with this makeup, something more glamorous, as Ali would say, will look better on us. So that's what I'll do. Also, I don't want to spend like 50 minutes curling my hair or anything. I will just have, let's say, 10-15 locks, and that's it. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to put them outside the face, so they are like a frame for the face. What I also like to do is to keep the hair straightening turning and turning. You know what I mean? Like, I don't turn it or curl it one time and then move it through the rest of the hair. No. I like to keep turning my hand and my wrist around and around. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but I think this looks super pretty. This is a very long-lasting hairstyle. When I was younger, I don't know about you, maybe it was the fashion of the, early 2000s or 2010 and such. But I love to wear my hair super straight. Now, I don't think we look that good with that anymore. I think it's too dramatic on us, and it brings the more dramatic features we have. Like for me, super straight hair makes me look with a very thin face, with a very straight, sharp nose, with a very sharp chin. And I prefer the opposite. I prefer to look more romantic, more rounded. So I feel waves are perfect for us, especially when they are not as tight nor as voluminous. But if I had to choose, I would go for a super tight curl. So yeah, that's it. I'm making my hair. Don't worry, I won't be showing you all of it. Okay, I will eventually stop filming because I have tons of hair. But in past videos, you girls gave me so many tips that I try to implement here, such as not lining my under eye. That's something I love to do. I've always done because I feel like it makes your eye look even more almond shape. But Ali says that you shouldn't do that, and you guys told me the same thing. So, what do you think? I do think it looks way cleaner, more put together. But I do appreciate all of your advice. So, yeah, this is me curling my hair. It's funny because on my other YouTube channel, I also get that I look so much like Shakira on my Spanish YouTube channel. And you know that Shakira, she's soft, natural. She's not theatrical romantic like us. So I always try to show this theatrical romantic part because I'm not Kiwi verified, but I do believe that I am theatrical romantic. Not that I want to be, it's just that I think it is what I am because I took the tests so many times for so many years, and that's what I get. So I hope I don't get the soft natural comments in this video. However, soft gamine, we are so close. We are the closest in the Kiwi type. I mean soft gamine and theatrical romantics, so I understand that some of you guys may see me like this. But yeah, here's the look. My hair looks amazing with that hairstyle, with a side part. Of course, I'm wearing some jewelry. You guys also told me to wear more jewelry, more jewelry, but I'm not the biggest fan of jewelry. I like some necklaces, some earrings, some things here and there. But I don't like to wear many rings, especially not many big rings. I don't like long earrings because I feel they make my face look longer. However, you guys, I will add a super cute addition to this look when I'm finished dancing and doing funny things. I look so happy when I'm done. Okay, so check it out. Here it is. I have some hair accessory, which is like jewelry, and yes, I think it makes the whole difference. This is the final look, you guys. Okay, so did you like it or not? If you like it, please subscribe, please like this video, and see you on the next one. Mwah. Name Susie. Adios.